is there anything in the universe capable of destroying a black hole? Why, yes, there is. And it turns out that black holes and Charlie Sheen have this in common, as the one thing capable of destroying them both is themselves. This happens thanks to something called Hawking radiation, which Professor Stephen Hawking named after himself when he proposed its existence in the 1970s. Hawking radiation is produced just outside of a black hole's event horizon when particles and antiparticles are created out of empty space due to extreme gravity. When these particle-antiparticle pairs come into existence, one is absorbed by the black hole, whereas the other escapes, with the escaping particle taking some of the black hole's mass energy with it. And while the amount of energy is relatively small, it nevertheless shows us that all black holes degrade and destroy themselves over time. So if we ever need to destroy one ourselves, we need to first figure out how to make particle-antiparticle pairs burst into existence within a black hole's vicinity. But what about the flip side? How can we create a black hole? And should we even try? Well, it's a bit late for that since we made the first electromagnetic black hole in a lab back in 2009. Another black hole made from sound was created in 2016 to prove the existence of Hawking radiation. And researchers at Kansas State have created a molecular black hole using the world's most powerful X-ray laser. These black holes are incredibly small, though, and when they're this tiny, they're perfectly safe. Small black holes evaporate quickly because they shed Hawking radiation faster the smaller they are. This means a man-made black hole could, in future, be feasibly used as a clean source of power. Black holes are more efficient than stars at creating energy, with our sun's nuclear fusion converting 0.7% of its mass into energy compared with a black hole's 10%. Also, if we were to create a black hole, there isn't much chance of Earth being sucked into it, since black holes don't actually work like this. Objects orbit a black hole as they would a star, with our entire Milky Way galaxy currently circling a supermassive black hole as we speak. If an object gets too close to a small black hole, it'll get sucked in. However, providing a black hole's mass isn't of the ginormous variety, we would be perfectly fine. If our own sun turned into a black hole today, we'd still be orbiting it tomorrow. And if you created a black hole with the mass of a donut, it would have the same gravitational pull as a regular donut does here on Earth. Not that I'd advise eating it. So there you have it. Despite all the things we don't know about black holes, we do know how to make and destroy them. And in the future, we may come to rely on these mysterious objects to power our world, as our universe continues to use them to make ever more copies of its infinite self.